Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'll demonstrate the difference between unlinked widget indicator and a questionable feature for the tag. Let's get started. So as a baseline, if I click on the tag browser here, this is a tag we'll be working with. To draw this tag on your graphic, right click and draw. I'm gonna use a siren here, but I'm gonna close it. So this tag is linked to a discrete tag like I showed before. So I'm gonna click yes, so you have it. Let me get rid of all this here and leave only this icon here. So if I run this guy, you can see that it is functional, but this question mark is indicating that it's questionable. So if you right click this widget here, this questionable is enabled. So if we click this, the question mark disappears. That questionable is used if an operator thinks that there's something wrong with the device or it needs calibration. It's just an indication. The data is correct, but it's just an indication. So I'm going to leave it here for now. Leave the checkbox here. Then I'm going to go back to my Idea Studio here. What I'm going to do next is copy and paste the same widget here. If I run it, they're exactly the same. You can see both of them are showing questionable, right? So going back to the Idea Studio again, but this time around, this guy here, if I go properties, I'm going to delete the tag associated to that widget and click, and I click OK. So you know that this widget, there's no tag linked to it, right? So if I were to run it, you can see the questionable icon is coming up here, but there's nothing coming up here. So this is a key item that you have to note and take care of, because some of the values might not be, or some of the widget might not be linked, but there's no indication whatsoever saying that this widget is not linked to anything. It might be stale data, incorrect information for operation to make decision on. Right. One of the saving grace would be this icon here. You can see it's flashing orange. That indicates that one of the widgets in this graphic is not linked. Another thing you can do as a safety measure would be, let's go to Idea Studio, to be always, one thing you need to do is to always click this, make sure this is enable unlinked indicators. So what this does is that it creates this, it shows this icon on any widget that has a disable or unlinked widget there. So if I were to run this right now on runtime, you can actually see in a few moments here. I'm gonna click this guy here. Yes. Once you click that, say yes. You can see that this particular widget here is not linked to any of the tags in VTScada. So also you can see the difference between unlinked widget icon and the questionable icon. On the questionable icon here, you know, it's a smaller question mark and a small triangle, but on the unlinked one, you can see that it is a bigger triangle. Questionable, you can right click and erase it, because let's say if this is a true and reliable value, operation can actually do it, but this one you can't really do anything with it even if you right click on it. I hope this quick tip helps. If it does, please subscribe and like. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.